ever hit send on an email and immediately worry it sounded weak or unsure? That hesitation can make even small messages feel stressful, but you can write with confidence in minutes. One simple way to start is by tweaking your words to sound clear and self assured. Let me show you a quick method you can do right now. After running the email through ChatGPT, you can see it suggests stronger phrasing that still comes across as polite and professional. I usually pick the version that feels most natural to me and save it for sending. This quick tweak is a great starting point, but real confidence in communication comes from understanding your own value and expressing it consistently. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge teaches. You will learn to communicate clearly in emails, messages, and conversations so your confidence shines in every interaction. I've linked the challenge in the description. It includes a dedicated advisor to guide you, an email or ad templates you can start using right away. It's only $7 to begin, beginner friendly, and gives you the tools to own your communication skills with confidence. Check out the link in the description to start the Confidence Challenge today.